Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a sound you're all probably familiar with. I'm just gonna play it to you real quick. You already saw, at first I was making a beat and I didn't know how to do the sound, so I stumbled on it by accident. I was just making a new project to show how to do it. I didn't saw any tutorial for it or something. I just stumbled on how to make it. I didn't know actually what instrument it was. I thought it was like a fucking pluck or something. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how to do it. For everyone who doesn't know what instrument it is, it's a piano actually. I use a piano in Contact, the Dr.DRE piano, and yeah, you can use any piano you want. So the trick is you take just any accord. It uses this, I think, and you I have it like you just let it play the piano like the accord from the lowest to the highest note, like in really rapid succession. I don't know, I'm not English. Fuck. Yeah, whatever. To have it play in like really rapid succession like this, and then you fucking just do this. You just spread out a bit. We actually are at 90 or 93 beats per minute, bro. And then you just fucking do this, this, and you have it played 8 times. Or what? 8 times? I think it was 8 times. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. One. It's 8 times, but I'm just making it all right now. So you have this, and oh fuck this, dude. Yeah, okay. Shit. You have it 8 times. Yeah, that's here. And then what do you do? Fuck, forgot. Shit. Yeah, whatever, but you change, it's like in Dre's shit, he changed it. I think something like this. I don't know. No, wait. It was this, and then he took, in the last few, he took these down. Oh, wait. It was like this. And then you have like the Dre sound. It's pretty easy. You know what it is. I didn't know what it is, so I think this might help some people. And I can show you. I used the sound in a track in a beat I made, so I can show you that real quick. Yeah, it's like at the end, like an outro or something. Yeah, I use different accords in there. I just use like regular ones, It's like this. Wait. Yeah. You get the point. So if this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos, just, I don't know, write me a comment or something. And I will be posting more FL Studio tutorials.